Hi guys, in this video today we will show you how to make money teaching online completely from home, and you won't need any years of experience or a college degree, even though it may be preferred. But with this website, practically anyone can sign up. So let's go over the requirements and let's get started. So what do you need to get started? All you really need is a skill in something or expertise in a certain subject. If you are really good at math or reading and perhaps want to help others learn how to do it too, then this is the site I'm going to show is going to be perfect thing for you. So now you may be wondering, how do you get started? First thing you want to do is go online and apply on the website called care.com. Care is a website that helps others with just about anything from tutoring to babysitting and more. So all you are going to do is go to the website, sign up for a free account, and then start rolling in the bucks. But it may take a little time before you start making money as you build up your audience. Wait, what if you don't have a skill? Well, the skill is not required. In fact, no expertise is necessary. As I said, anybody can join this website, and you can go to sites like Skillshare and Udemy, which are two learning platforms that offer learning new skills and lessons to people just like you and me. Then once you have learned that skill, you can join care.com and put it to work to start earning more money. The platforms I mentioned do require a fee to enroll in some, if not all, the lessons, though Udemy should have some free courses or at least a course you can sample. Okay, now for the final step. Once you created your profile and have your skill picked out, sign up to care.com for a free account. Yes, it's free to join care.com, and I will leave a link below so that you can test it out if interested, okay? Now that you have signed up with care.com, all you have to do is make sure to upload a resume. You want people to pick you for your work and for their needs. So make sure that you have an updated resume from a site like Indeed.com, where you can make a resume completely free of charge. And that's it. That's how you get started to make hundreds of dollars online from the comfort of your home as a teacher. Results aren't guaranteed. If you like this video, please subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.